A drop of courage carries us forward. And it's just what the world needs, according to our Colour Futures trend forecast. Every year, acclaimed design experts help us understand the mood of the moment. And this time, it's all about adapting to change together, with self-belief, social solidarity, past knowledge and smart, sustainable solutions for the future. Change takes bravery, but it's also invigorating and inspiring. Our theme for 2021 is having the courage to embrace change. At our Global Aesthetic Center, we choose a colour that brings this to life. Our colour of the year is a warm, natural neutral, an enabling and grounding colour that connects us back to the simple things and gives us a firm foundation for change. Introducing our Colour of the Year 2021. Around it, we've built a collection of colours to help you transform your home, along with ideas, inspiration and 4 easy-to-use colour palettes. Expressive colours empower you to be yourself. Trust colours give you the courage to work together and make connections. Timeless colours challenge you to build on the past for a bright future. And earth colours create a springboard for you to forge a brave new world. All great things start small. Embrace change.